Good evening po.
Good evening din po sa inyo. Kamusta po kayo, ma'am?
Okey lang po.
I was given the task to discuss with you po yung update ni INZ on your work to residence na visa
Work
application.
work to residence po.
Yes po,
Okay.
ma'am. So, it says here po sa update ni INZ is, congratulations! Approved na po ang
Oh,
inyong work to
thank
residency visa
thank you
application.
po, thank you po. Thank you po.
Ayun. So, once again, congratulations po sa
Thank you
approval.
po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Ay, thank you Lord, thank you.
Ayun. We're happy din po sa result po. Mabilis din po yung approval po ng inyong visa application.
Yes po. Thank you so
Ayun.
much.
Kumusta po yung experience niyo na, SDH po yung nag-handle ng inyong work to residence na visa application?
Easy siya kasi lahat ng mga kailangan naming i-submit is nasa iisang platform na lang siya. So, hindi ako confused kung ano nga ba yung hindi ko na-send. Tapos very supportive. I will always do this again and again. Parang madami pa naman in the near future. Like, I still have 2 kids para i-apply for residency. So, yeah.
So, look forward to assisting you both din po, ma'am, and your
Yes.
family. Tama po ba, ma'am, na si Sir Ian, sa amin po din siya
Yep.
nag-apply ng kaniyang previous visa applications and
Yes, from
how was
visitor to partnership. Tas ngayon for
ayun.
residency.
On your end, I think if I'm not mistaken, this is your first with SDH.
Yes po, pero do'n kay Ian yun na-name, I was more of ako yung lahat ng kausap, ako yung lahat nagsa-submit ng mga requirements namin. So, alam ko na na ano, na parang gamay ko na kung ano yung ano ng SH.
How was it po on your end? Was it important yung having a clear pathway po instead of just figuring things out on your own?
Mas okey talaga na merong mas may alam kung ano yung dapat gawin. Kasi ano, nakakala siya ng anxiety. Parang last na lang siya ng iisipin na, eto na lang yung gagawin ko, magsa-submit lang ako ng ganito tapos kung meron ng kulang, so there's someone na magga-guide sa'kin na, ito yung dapat mong gawin. Things like that.
How was it po yung experience having a consultation with an advisor? Nakatulong po ba?
Yes
Or
po.
how was it?
Big help po talaga siya na at least parang hindi ako mangangapa kasi actually with my EEWV and with my VOC, ako lang gumawa. But since masyado na siyang complicated, masyado siyang complex kung ako pa yung gagawa tapos magtatrabaho pa ako. Good thing na may nakausap ako na advisor tapos ito yung dapat niyong gawin. Part din siya na naging early yung release ng immigration.
Last question po is, if you could describe yung services ni SDH in one word, ano po yun?
Yeah, easy and hassle-free. Yun.
Once again, salamat po and congratulations sa inyong approval. Rest assured po after this call, isa-send ko po yung e-visa copy niyo sa email.
Thank you so much po. Thank you. Have a
Ayan.
great night. Bye-bye.
God bless din po sa inyo, ma'am.